The astronomers of Nabta Playa long before the sands buried its secrets. The Sahara was alive, a land of lakes, herds, and wandering tribes who watched the heavens as closely as they watched the horizon. In the deep south of Egypt, near the Sudanese border, lies a desolate basin known as Nabta Playa. Today it's an empty stretch of desert, but over 7,000 years ago it was the stage for one of humanity's earliest celestial observatories, a stone circle that predates Stonehenge by nearly 2 millennia. At first glance, the site seems simple: weathered stones, some upright, others fallen. Yet their arrangement is anything but random. Archaeologists discovered that several of these megaliths align precisely with the rising of the summer solstice sun, a cosmic event marking the turning point of the year when the sun reaches its northernmost point in the sky. Such precision implies more than superstition. It reveals calculation, patience, and a deep awareness of the cycles above. These were not mere herders, they were observers, thinkers, astronomers of the prehistoric world. Imagine the ancient people of Nabta Playa. They gathered around fires under skies unspoiled by city light, noting how certain stars rose in the same place each season. Over generations, they built markers to trace those paths, first small stones, then towering slabs. They would have watched Sirius, the brightest star, returning to the dawn sky just before the floods of the Nile, a sign of renewal and survival. This intimate dance between earth and sky shaped their rituals, their migrations, their myths. When the rains finally failed and the Sahara began its long transformation into desert, the people moved north, carrying with them fragments of that cosmic knowledge. Some scholars believe their descendants helped lay the foundations for Egyptian civilization. The temples, the calendars, even the star-aligned pyramids may trace their lineage back to Nabta's circle. So while Stonehenge stands as Europe's great prehistoric mystery, Nabta Playa whispers of an even older intelligence, one that looked upward, not in fear, but in wonder. Beneath the relentless sun, they mapped eternity with stone and silence. And though the winds have long erased their names, their geometry endures, a message carved into the bones of the desert, reminding us that humanity's gaze toward the stars began far earlier and far deeper in Africa than most have ever imagined.